Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how to use Google Forms. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below if you ever used Forms before or maybe this is your first time, let me know. And subscribe if you're new to the channel. So the next thing is, before I officially begin, is I just want to go over what this channel is all about. You may be new to the channel and not subscribed, so what are you waiting for? Subscribe. I go through tutorials, how-to videos on Windows 10, on how to set up emails on Google Drive, Google Docs, pretty much tutorial videos on how to make your life easier with technology. I'm always up for new ideas, so please comment below if there's something you would want to learn. Reach out to me and I can make a video on it, and hopefully I can assist the best way that I can. But for now, let's just jump in. Today's video is on how to use Google Forms. Now, Google Forms is, for people who don't know, is basically a free survey creator. You can make surveys, you can make invitations, all for free, and you can send them out to your friends, and they can send them back, and you can receive their answers on what they selected, multiple choice, check boxes, and anything like that. So that is basically Google Forms in a nutshell. So let's just jump right into it. I want you to go into a web browser. Any web browser will do. I'll go into Chrome. And I want you to sign in with your Gmail address. So go up here, top right hand corner, and hit sign in. I'm going to sign in with my email address. Hopefully you have a Gmail address already. I'm going to sign in. Okay. So once you're signed in, make sure you're at the Google homepage, the Google search homepage, and just type in Google Forms and click on the first one. From here, you're going to click on the first link, which is Google Forms, free online surveys for personal use. And you want to click on Go to Google Forms, this personal one right here on the left. Alright, so here you'll be presented with the forms, homepage examples. You do a couple things here. You can create a blank form starting from scratch. You have a couple examples here that you can actually work with and just edit, tweak here and there, and not worry about starting from scratch. You can do a party invite, you can do a contact information, you can do RSVP, you can do a t-shirt sign up, sorry. But yeah, so I'm just going to click a party invite one and show you what the basics is on this. So once you click, whatever form you want, or if you're making a new one, this is basically what Forms is. So it says party invite, and you can put the party description right here, and I'm just gonna delete that. You can put the description, you can put what the party invite, like I could do Matt's birthday, right? And then you could put a description, and then the rest is for other people to fill out. So they would put their name, they would put if they could attend or not, they could put how many of your friends are attending, check what they're bringing, food and drink wise. Do you have any allergies? So this is an invitation form that was already created, and all you have to do is tweak it just a tiny bit here and there. And when you're done with this form or any other form, just hit send right here, top right hand corner. And here you're going to put an email address that you would have, anyone's email address, and then the message, and it defaulted, it says, I've invited you to fill out a form for Matt's birthday. And then you would just hit send. You can include that form in an email. So what that would do is, if you tick this, it would be in the email. So if this was unticked and you sent it, it would just be a link for them to click on to get into Forms. So either or, it just takes them to the same spot. But yeah, just put their email address in here, create a subject, Matt's birthday, and then hit send. Now if we go back, I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you another example. Contact information. So if you were sending this to somebody, I'll show you what it says. So it's contact information. anything below that they would fill out. So they would put their name, they would put their email, they would put their address. So in case you wanted someone's contact information, or a business wanted contact information from somebody, you would send this to somebody and they would fill it out. And here would be their responses. So each form gets saved into your Google Drive, which I'm going to show you when I'm done here. And when you click on the forms, it'll show how many responses it got and how many people filled it out. So I'll show you one more, and then I'll show you where to find these and the responses. So if we do a blank one, if you were starting from scratch, so I would just do, Matt's form. You can name it whatever you want. Spelled that wrong. Matt's form, the description. I can click here and I can make whatever question I want. I can make it multiple choice. I can do check boxes. I can do drop down. I can do a paragraph if I was asking a question and I wanted in a paragraph form. So this is where your creativity can run wild if you wanted to make a form yourself and then send it off to people. So that's how you do that. Now, if you click the Forms home right here, okay, so if you click the Forms home at the top left-hand corner like I showed you, you'll see recent forms. So you'll see all the forms that you filled out that you may have sent to people. That's all going to be down here where it says recent forms. So if you click the contact information one that we had, and see how it says responses, click on that and it will show, how many people responded and how many number of responses that you have. So same thing if you go back and you had a birthday invite one that you sent out to people. If you click that and you go to responses right here, it'll show you, 5 people showed responses or filled it out. 5 out of 10 people, how many people you send the form to. So if you send it to 10 people and 5 filled it out, it'll say 5 responses. So you'll be alerted automatically. So yeah, just check your Gmail from time to time. If you send a form out and someone fills it out, if you go into your Gmail, if you have alerts set up, it'll tell you if someone filled your form out as well. So that's another way to know if someone's filled your form out. Just check your Gmail and you'll get an alert on that too. So, but yeah, guys, that was just a basic rundown on Google Forms. It's pretty cool. I know a lot of businesses, I know where I work, they use this as questionnaires for people, just trying to get their thoughts on a couple things. So it's really cool. A lot of people don't know about this, but I just wanted to let you guys know it's pretty simple to make a form. If you wanted to make a form, if you just wanted to pick one of these defaults and tweak it a little bit. So yeah, that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like, comment down below if you didn't know about this, if this is your first time, if you think Forms was pretty helpful, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video.